13-year-old curious city girl studying in class 8. Kabir, Sania's 14-year-old brother, who helps her contemplate things and perform various activities. Mummy, Sania's mother, who facilitates them in understanding different concepts. Hello friends, how are you today? Bhaiya is participating in the school science fair. Mummy and I have come to see his doll and his project. Will you come along? Hi Bhaiya.
Hey Sania.
Wow, your project has come out so beautifully Bhaiya. This is a human brain, right?
Yes, this is a model of the human brain. See, I labeled its parts too.
Yeah, and what is this? Brain cells, neurons.
Oh, here I'm showing the cells that the brain is made up of. They are called neurons.
Cells? Oh yes, the basic building blocks of life that form the organs and other parts of any living organism.
Yes, exactly. But do you know that cells and atoms are different? Can you guess the difference between the two?
I guess not.
Everything living or non-living in this universe is made up of atoms, even the cells.
Oh, which means that the cells must be bigger than the atoms. Can we see what cells look like?
Yes, but you need a microscope for that. As the cells are so tiny that they cannot be seen through the naked eyes. Mommy, we have a microscope here with a slide showing cells of an onion.
Awesome! Let me see. Wow! This looks like a brick wall. Friends, isn't it surprising? I could never imagine that we are made up of such tiny little components joined together. But I wonder who discovered this fact and how. Can you flip through your textbook and check? On one of the posters at Kabir's store, Sania observed a shoe-like structure labeled as paramecium. Look, Bhaiya, this organism looks like a shoe.
Yes, this is paramecium, a unicellular organism.
Unicellular organism?
Yes, an organism that has just one cell.
Just one cell? You mean they don't have any organs? How do they survive then?
These organisms perform all functions like capturing and digesting food, respiring, excreting through their single-celled bodies.
Oh gosh, they must be very efficient. Friends, now that you know what unicellular organisms are, can you guess what multicellular organisms will be? Can you think of any common examples? Mummy, if our bodies and organs are made up of cells that are joined together, why is it that different organs within our body look and function differently? I mean, the base component of each one of them is the same, a cell, right? Beta, it is true that all living organisms are made up of cells, but all these cells are of different types. They do not look and act the same. For example, the shape and size of a blood cell differs from the shape and size of a brain cell. Oh, okay. Friends, now know that all living organisms are made up of different types of cells. Can you refer to your textbook and try to identify which types of cells are these? Mummy, I was wondering, will bigger organisms like elephant and giraffe have bigger sized cells? What do you think, friends? Mummy, there are so many different types of cells within our bodies. Do the same cells make plants? Well, not really.